In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change site colors in your Wix website. This is a simple process that can really enhance the visual appeal of your site and keep it fresh and engaging for your visitors. So let's dive right in. First things first, open up your favorite web browser and navigate to wix.com. Once you're there, you'll see an option to log in at the top right corner. Click on this login button and go ahead and enter your credentials. If you're already logged in, Wix might take you directly to your dashboard. Now, once you're logged in, you'll land on the My Sites page, which is like your control center for all your Wix projects. Browse through your list of sites and select the one you want to edit. After choosing your site, look for a button labeled Edit Site, usually next to your website's thumbnail. Click on that and you'll be transported into the Wix editor, your playground for all things design. Now that you're in the editor, take a look at the toolbar on the left-hand side. You'll notice an option called Design, represented by a little paintbrush icon. Go ahead and click on it, and then navigate to Site Design and choose Colors. This section gives you direct access to change the color palette used across your entire site. In this color palette section, you'll see a representation of the current colors making up your site's look. If you want to mix things up, simply click on any color you wish to change. Doing this will open up a variety of options. You can choose from preset colors that come bundled with Wix, or if you have a specific color in mind, you can enter a custom hex code to get just the right hue. Additionally, you can adjust colors for specific elements like text, backgrounds, buttons, and accents to ensure harmony across your design. Once you've selected your new colors, the site will automatically update to reflect these changes, and you'll get to see a preview of how the new palette looks across your whole site. If everything meets your expectations, you can click Apply to make these changes active within the editor. Next, it's important to save all the hard work you've done. Look for the Save button located on the top right corner, click it, and then choose Preview to see how your changes look live on your site. Once you're absolutely certain everything looks perfect, hit that Publish button to take your freshly designed site live for the world to see. And that's all there is to it. You've just learned how to change the site colors of your Wix website. Thanks for watching, and happy designing!